In class 8A, geometry is continued. We are seeing the list of formulae, and today our next formula is area of the circle. This is a circle with center O. If we join this, OA is the radius. And if we produce this side, then AB is the diameter. And there is a relationship, radius is denoted by R and diameter is denoted by D. There is a relationship between radius and diameter, R equal to D by 2 or D equal to 2R. Now area of the circle is equal to pi r square, where pi equal to 22 by 7. One more area of the semicircle. If we see the figure of semicircle, then this is the figure of semicircle with center O and radius OA and diameter AB. Semicircle means half of the circle. So as the area of circle is pi r square, so area of the semicircle will be 1 by 2 pi r square. Same thing where pi equal to 22 by 7. So many formulae you saw in the list of formulae. Now we shall use this formula to solve the questions. Those are given in exercise. Let us start the exercise 18A. Question number 1 says, find the length and the perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 216 centimeter square and the breadth is 12 centimeter square. These two informations are given. The area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is equal to 216 centimeter square and the breadth of the rectangle is equal to 12 centimeter. We are asked to find the length. The length of the rectangle is equal to area by breadth, that is equal to 216 centimeter square by 12 centimeter. If you solve this, you will get 12 and 12, 9 and 6, 96, 12 8 96, 18 centimeter. The length of rectangle is 18 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is equal to, for short information I want to say what is the perimeter. Suppose this ABCD is the rectangle, then sum of all the sides is equal to perimeter. This is L, this is L, this is B, this is B. 2L plus 2B. So 2 will be common, L plus B equal to 2, length is 18 centimeter plus breadth is 12 centimeter, and if we solve this, 2 into 30 centimeter equal to 60 centimeter. In question number 2, in a rectangle, the diagonal is 10 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. Find the length and area. Suppose ABCD is a rectangle in which AC is the diagonal, because line joining the opposite vertices is the diagonal. The length of this diagonal is given 10 centimeter and breadth AD is also given 6 centimeter. We are asked to find out the length. Suppose that length is CD. Now the length equal to, we use Pythagoras theorem, h square, h means hypotenuse, or directly we can write the letters AC square minus AD square. It means hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So this will be 10 centimeter whole square minus 6 centimeter whole square. If we calculate it, we are getting 100 centimeter square minus 36 centimeter square equal to 64 centimeter square equal to 8 centimeter. So the length we got 8 centimeter. Now second question was area. This is Roman number 1. Roman number 2 is the area. The area of rectangle, you know, length into breadth, that is 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter equal to 48 centimeter square. And question number 3. In the question, the area of a small rectangular plot is 88 meters square. The area of the rectangular plot is equal to 88 meters square. If the difference between its length and breadth is 3 centimeter, if we consider length is L and breadth is B, then L minus B is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Find its perimeter. We are asked to find the perimeter. This is a very interesting question. As the area of rectangle is given 88 meter square and L length minus breadth, difference between length and breadth is given 3 centimeter. So we can write L equal to 3 plus B. Now as the area is given 88 meter square, so we write here the area equal to 88 meter square. For area we use the formula L into B equal to 88 meter square. The value of L is 3 plus B. We write here 3 plus B into B equal to 88 meter square. So this became 3B plus B square equal to 88 we can write this as b square plus 3b minus 88 equal to 0. We will factorize it by splitting the midterm. B square plus 11b minus 8b. 11b minus 8b equal to 3b, and this side minus 88 equal to 0. This is called the splitation of midterm. Now implies that from these two terms we take common, b is common. So in bracket b plus 11 will come, minus from these two terms we can take 8 common, in bracket b plus 11 will come, that is equal to 0. So what are we getting? B plus 11, b minus 8. These two are the common factors of the equation. Therefore b equal to minus 11 or 8. Means when b plus 11 equal to 0, then b equal to minus 11. I repeat, when b plus 11 equal to 0, then b equal to minus 11. And when b minus 8 equal to 0, then b equal to 8. So this negative value is the absurd value. We say this is the absurd value. So b equal to 8, breadth equal to 8. So length equal to 3 plus 8 here. Length equal to 3 plus 8 equal to 11 centimeter. Now we are asked to find out the area. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So the perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 into 11 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So 2 into 19 centimeter equal to 38 centimeter. This became the perimeter.